How to use the Workday app. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up the Play Store. Now tap on the search icon. Tap on the search bar. Now type Workday. Now click on search. Now simply tap on install. Now wait for some time. Now after installing, simply tap on open. Now wait for some time. Now on the home page, simply tap on login. Now enter the organization ID. If you have a QR code, simply tap on the QR code icon. Now give the permissions and scan the QR code. If you cannot find this organization ID, simply tap on Find Your Organization ID. Now follow these steps to get your organization ID and go back and enter the ID and tap on Next. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.